Welcome back to Pree Dis, of course, a vibe with Cosmo. We're here and then you can pretending as if she's cooking something in the kitchen, you know. She'll go on like, oh,
I'm cooking.
You know what they say, Denique, though? The way to a man's heart, you know, is through his stomach.
Really? Alright, cool.
So, now I get some, right?
Maybe.
Not got there long enough, you know. Alright, now speaking on food, we were recently at the Portmore Seafood Festival, and of course, you know, Beanie Man was there performing, Conscience was there performing. Yeah. You did get for go?
No, I wasn't here. I wasn't here for a little while.
Oh, you did cut?
Yeah, but I'm back now. Did some work abroad. But you don't know, so we're back in the streets.
Alright, now pretty highlights. Well, me I try to get some of this food in. I want some curry. I love curry.
Sweet Jamaica, we not left ya. Love me a key and my saltfish, we not left ya. Savia man banana, we not left ya. I'm a big flour dumpling, we not left ya. Ain't nothing like the sweet cool breeze I jammed up. String up the sun, we'll leave our vibes can't done. Reggae music beautiful and people just have fun. Jerk. On my knees for the fall of my friend every night. That's why we don't better be no worry. We have life and we don't go sorry. So if the morning comes and we don't see the sun, the father can say, well done, what tomorrow?
Take a lot the tree turn from him. That you can have me yet from him. See it with me. The hard way, hard way. The hard way, to listen what his mama say. Yes, to learn the hard way.
Big some time, yes, I'm big some time. Well, this I never with him, big some line. You never tackle ya. No. You never scream one part. No. You feel my record. No. Girl, walk out. They look like no body. They look like no woman. The first time you put it for me. On the street, that's a nice one. Go on to everybody in that Portmore tonight. Go on to the way, everyone. Jump on, yeah! Oh, we're feeling good. Oh, we go. Do it with you. Everybody pop it out of that door. Let's go. Everybody pop it out of that door. Put it together.
Alright, so this is every girl's dream, you know, having a closet as big as Denique's, and I have my buster with me just to keep me calm down, because you know it goes sometimes with women and them shoes. Yeah man, it's a cola champagne flavor. Try it! Now Denique, what's popping? What we're going tonight? What we're going tonight? What's the vibe? Because I know going through this, you know, it should be hard for you to pick something to wear.
You know it is, and I really don't have nothing to wear, you know. I swear to you.
Really?
I don't.
Really, Denique? Really, Denique? Really?
It takes me hours to get ready, but tonight I'm getting ready for Wishes with the Fantasia and Jay Holiday.
Nice.
So.
Big up, you know, is a show that I'm looking forward to. Now, talk to us about dancing. Can you do any dance for the latest dance out there you think you can catch on to?
You know, say, I can't do every dance, but the one that I always do is swagging.
Swagging?
Swagging.
I don't like swagging and I can't look away. Every time I try to get into my inner famba when we do it. But Tall...
into the inner famba, right?
Yeah, because I'm going to have a little swag thing still, you know. No, Tall Bomb, he's our dancer this week on the Buster Move dance segment, and he's going to be showing us the latest dance moves right here on Pree Dis now. Denique, Pree Dis.
Pree Dis.
All right.
This segment is brought to you by Buster Move.
Alright, so of course we're going to take our final commercial break. We still have a lot more Denique with us, you know. She ain't going nowhere. That means that you must stay right here, right? Pree Dis.